Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Do you have a little one that loves being in the kitchen with you? I have something you need to get them. It is this Kids Kitchen Set by Chanking. This is a 17-piece set and has so many cool things for them to learn with and explore. My daughter is 3 and she loves being in the kitchen and being helpful, and I love knowing that she can do that safely while also learning. It comes with a wide variety of different kinds of tools, knives, wood knives, cutters, scissors. She even has her own cutting board. So whenever I'm cutting up something, she also can do her own, and she feels super helpful. It actually is helpful for me. And I love knowing that she's learning about cutting and textures and different foods and how everything works and which tools work for what. I was very impressed that even the peeler would peel a cucumber. She did need a little bit of help being 3 to put enough pressure to actually peel it, but it did work. The only one that I have any concerns that I feel like I need to watch her with is the one with the metal cutter. It is a little bit sharp, but how you hold it is a very safe one for them to learn and be able to cut harder things. So we have had a lot of fun learning with this. She has had fun showing off her cutting skills to our family. So I'm sure your little one and you will have just as much fun as we have. But that's just our point of view.